Hello from a new beach location in Stockholm region. And this is also my first beach visit in this municipality this year. Can you guess which one? This is Lidingö municipality and the beach is called Sticklingebadet. Yep, it's a lovely evening here in Stockholm. It is after 6 p.m. and I'm practically all alone on this beautiful sandy beach. And today is 24th of July and right now the outdoor temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Earlier today it was 22 degrees as max. And yes, I have checked out one more municipality or commune in Stockholm region. This is Lidingö, very big island and separate municipality that I have visited many times before the previous years, but this is my first visit this year. And this beach I visited for the first time in my life and I'm very satisfied with it so far. It has huge sandy part and even more huge green area. And there is also inside the water, there is a separate jumping platform. And you may wonder, how did I get here from Danderyd? Yes, from Danderyd on the other side on the water, there is a boat station called Ekudden. And there are boats that traffic from Ropsten with the last station Moa Brygga, that's also located on Lidingö, and they pass two islands on the way that are mostly inhabited without any public beaches. But in Lidingö there are many public beaches, of which this one is one of them. So it was only 5-minute boat ride, very pleasant, as you have seen in the start of this video. And the boat ride is actually for free if you have the monthly card in Stockholm public transport. So yes, otherwise you can also come by bus that starts from Ropsten, but I guess the boat option is much better, right? Today is my beach day number 91 and this is the third beach I visit today. I visited 2 different beaches in Danderyd. Check out those videos as well. And now we are in Lidingö, as I mentioned. And this is actually at the end of the island, but it's quite a huge island if you go around it. We shall visit also some other beaches later this summer in Lidingö. But this also means that I have only 2 municipalities left to visit this year in order to check out the beaches in all of the 26 municipalities in Stockholm region. So what I have left now is Salem municipality and Sundbyberg. So probably I'm gonna check them out in the upcoming days. So we are ready to explore here the Baltic Sea. I have already swam into the water on the other end. So you see, the water is super clear. And we're gonna go to that jumping platform over there to jump from it. And that over there is where the boat stop is for the boat line, ferry line number 80. And I can see Danderyd on the other side and probably the beach spots that I visited earlier today. So here it is very shallow and sandy inside, very beautiful sand. So far so good. The water is a bit chilly today, but that's okay. What a beautiful evening, and there is nobody on the beach, just one other person, but nobody is swimming in the water. It is only me. I'm going slowly but steadily in. We may also see the boat when it passes by. There are boats like every 2 hours or so, so not that frequent. but if you miss the boat ride, you can also catch the bus, not so far from here. All right, cool. Then let's take a swim here in Sticklingebadet and embrace the beautiful evening here in Stockholm, Sweden. All right, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful. What a beautiful day to be alive and living in Stockholm, Sweden. I'm so blessed that there is water here everywhere and so many different beach spots to take a nice and refreshing swim. So let's check out the platform also over there. And see if it's deep enough to jump. Beautiful, beautiful day. Here you can see also the beach from here. They have still left the midsummer cross hanging. I guess they had a pretty nice midsummer celebration here. And yes, here it is deep, just as I thought. So it would be perfect. Take a jump on this nice jumping platform over here. Yes. Water is quite chilly, as I mentioned, but that ain't gonna stop me, because this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and we are out for different beach adventures every day in different beach locations, mainly in Stockholm where I'm based, but also rest of Sweden and rest of the world when I'm out for trips outside of Sweden. So this is the jumping platform from here. As you can see, very nice view it has, and you can see also the beach from here as well. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, then let's jump here, because why not? This is Beach Adventures with Chris, and we are going in. Woohoo! That was so nice and refreshing. You have no idea. So brilliant, so fantastic. Alright, that's a wrap from Sticklingebadet in Lidingö. I hope you enjoyed this fantastic episode today, and tune in for more beach adventures coming soon on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!